The intelligence of AI. How smart is AI, really? We hear it all the time. AI is getting smarter. It's writing articles, generating art, passing exams, and even helping with therapy. But is this actual intelligence, or just high-level mimicry? Today, we're diving deep into psychology, philosophy, and computer science to explore the real question: has AI achieved general human intelligence, or are we being fooled by a very clever pattern machine? Some believe that AI is approaching general human intelligence. After all, tools like ChatGPT often seem to understand language, even emotion. In the past, critics argued that computers couldn't truly understand language because they lack human-like perception and experience. But that line is starting to blur. AI is now doing things we once thought only humans could do. It analyzes meaning, completes abstract tasks, and produces language with astonishing fluency. So where does that leave us? If AI can now perform what we associate with understanding, do we say that it understands? Or do we need to revisit and redefine what understanding actually means? The same goes for intelligence. Has AI truly reached human-level intelligence, or are we just moving the goalposts every time it surprises us? To answer this, let's step into psychology. For decades, intelligence was measured with vocabulary tests, memory games, and math problems. But by the mid-20th century, researchers realized this was too narrow. In 1949, Raymond Cattell proposed two forms of intelligence: crystallized intelligence, like vocabulary, general knowledge, and learned skills; fluid intelligence, like abstract reasoning, problem-solving, and pattern recognition. By this definition, AI now seems to master both. ChatGPT shows crystallized intelligence in language and knowledge. It also shows fluid intelligence in solving logic puzzles and adapting to context. But then came Howard Gardner in 1983 with a broader idea: multiple intelligences. He argued there are at least 8 kinds of intelligence, from musical and bodily kinesthetic to interpersonal and intrapersonal intelligence. And suddenly, the picture changes. Because if intelligence means self-awareness, emotional depth, or physical grace, AI falls far short. And if we go back even further, to the Binet-Simon IQ test, which measured a child's mental age, machines surpassed it long ago. In fact, the first general calculator in 1642 and ENIAC in 1946 already outperformed humans in at least one form of intelligence: calculation. So what are we really comparing here? Comparing AI to human intelligence is like comparing bird flight to airplane flight. Sure, they both fly, but birds flap their wings. Planes don't. Birds are alive. Planes are machines. And yet, they both achieve flight. Both obey the laws of aerodynamics. In the same way, humans and AI might achieve intelligent behavior through different means. At the biological level, we're worlds apart. At the algorithmic level, we might be more similar than we think. And at the functional level, solving problems, generating answers, communicating meaning, maybe we're closer than we're comfortable admitting. So what are we really comparing here? So why does ChatGPT feel so smart? The secret lies in what humans do best, and what AI now does frighteningly well: pattern recognition. ChatGPT isn't just retrieving facts. It's completing patterns. It predicts the next word, the next sentence, even the next idea, in ways that mimic how our brains process language. That's why it feels so human. It doesn't understand like we do, but it's exceptional at simulating understanding by recognizing patterns in vast amounts of data. And when a machine can do that, complete patterns, make predictions, and generate meaning, it suddenly feels intelligent, maybe even alive. In the end, whether we call AI intelligent depends on what we value. Are we talking about the outcome, getting the right answer, or the process, feeling, thinking, understanding? This debate isn't new. For years, we denied that animals could be intelligent. But now we know. Elephants grieve, crows solve puzzles, and dolphins recognize themselves in mirrors. Primatologist Franz de Waal once asked, "Are we smart enough to know how smart animals are?" And now, perhaps we must ask, are we intelligent enough to recognize how intelligent AI really is? My answer? It depends on your definitions, on your expectations, and most importantly, on your level of analysis. Because intelligence may not be one thing. It may be many things, appearing in many forms, whether biological or artificial. So what do you think? Is AI truly intelligent, or just mimicking the mind? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content that makes you think. Brain Laptop Computer, until next time, stay curious.